Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to cancel the script subscription. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in descript.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Descript if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the projects, quick recordings, the AI speaker and templates, and the workspace. In the top right corner, on the other hand, we have your settings and we have the new project button here, also the black button here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel the script subscription. So go first of all and click on the profile icon in the top right corner and select settings. So here, when you're on this page or whatever page, click here and click then settings. In the settings menu, select the subscription tab. So go down here and click on subscription. As you can see, click on the cancel subscription button. You may need to confirm your choice. Then follow any additional prompts to complete the cancellation process. Just keep in mind that canceling your subscription will result in losing access to features, including your current plan, but you will still have access to your existing project. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.